Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the OMNI Heat Digital Ceramic Personal Heater, which has a programmable thermostat and smart eco mode and safety protection, like a child protection lock and all that type of stuff. So let's open and see what else it has. Before we do that, here are the dimensions and other features. It's programmable for 12 hours, changes from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and gives consistent heat. And it's only for indoor use, not outdoor, just indoor. Now let's open! So here's a warning sticker. Remove it before use, because burning plastic can cause lung damage really bad. It says, warning, risk of heat stroke / hypothermia. So we peeled away the sticker. This is why it has a really good child protection lock on it. So we've opened it, now we're gonna plug it in. You can see this red sign means it's plugged in, but it's not on. No heat is coming through. No, when I press 30 Celsius. If I press this, that's high. This makes it into eco. High 2. Now if I want to lower the temperature, like that. And for child lock, you gotta press timer and plus. Oh, see? Doesn't work otherwise. That makes child lock. So the heater's on. I can't do anything. Now to undo it. There you go, now I can change it. So then the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. However much you want. And then it's off. You just gotta tap it, and then you gotta wait 15 seconds and then it'll turn off. There you go, it's off. So I really like this. It's nice, tiny, it's portable. Now one last thing I'd like to show you is a cord wrap. So let's say you have too much cord, just pull this one out. This, and then just wrap it around here. You get what I'm saying? Like that. So, a pretty cool feature on this. And if you don't need it, you could just push it back in like that. And same thing for the other one. Showing again, this is the back side. You can take the cable thing out from both sides. There you have it. And then it has like a mini handle. So if you want, you can carry it like that.